see my shoes?
That's Nick. Your name's not Corey.
You see my shoes? No.
There, there's one by the door, there's one by. Oh no, I don't call my dad. That's not good.
What did he call you?
I'll call him. I'll call his
How's your
phone.
bitch doing? She text you back?
Yes, she did. She was like, "What are you doing?" I was like, "Fuck you, bitch." Who am I calling?
It's done. Where are you putting it?
Hi. How are you? What are you doing? I'm in a room. You crazy. Hey, I'm on fucking Fish Street. Yeah, where are you at? What? Talbot, where the fuck is Talbot? First, that's like really close. Are you here? I hung up. Oh shit. I didn't call that girl back. Where is she at? Okay.
Steve, who you calling?
Alex.
Who?
Alex Raker, yo.
Um.
My leg hurt. Hey. Where are you? That's what's. Hey. Come over here. We're at Fest. I want to party with you, yo. I know. But I want to do some more. Let's go. Come on. Who's talking to me? I don't even know who you are, man. Is this PJ? Who are you? Alex, where are you? Hey! Hey, where are you? Where are you? Yeah. Where's that at? Yeah. I'm coming over there, okay? Okay, I'll be there in like 10 minutes. Which room are you in? 4th Street? You said you're in 1st Street. Where the fuck are you? Talbot Street, okay.
Steve, can I talk to him?
Who are you talking to?
Here, talk to Ryan. He's my neighbor, okay? He'll tell you what's up. Here you go.
Oh, we're sorry.
Hold on. Ryan, tell me where to go.
Steve's really drunk. He's not coming over anywhere. Sorry.
Thank you, Ryan.
Alright, bye.
Who was it?
I have no clue. Alex,
Raker?
I think. Let's not give him that back.